I'm going with the bus to the border, to Tanzania border. It's around, I don't know, almost 5 AM. We leave at 5 and we arrive between 6 PM and 1 AM. And then tomorrow crossing the border and going with the train for, I don't know, 35 hours to Dar es Salaam. Yeah. I'm here in the guest house. I tried to stay at the train station, but it's not safe and all stuff, so some other guys showed me the guest house. It's completely next to the train station. Good morning! Now I'm going to the train station, try to buy the ticket. Finally I have information from the station master. He told me the train is expected around 4 PM, but probably arrives at 10 PM here. He told me I arrive at 4 PM tomorrow, but I don't think so, because in the internet was standing 10 AM leaving here at 4 PM tomorrow arriving, so. That's crazy. I wanna go in the town and yeah, look where the old people, where are they going? So I followed them and now I'm right between the two borders and there was no security, nothing. Typical for Africa. One moment really sunny and hot, another moment thunder, raining. That's so crazy. After 1 hour of warning and doesn't show up, train is coming. I know you noticed. I'm in a room with 4 beds, 2 other guys. Good morning! So, first night is over. It was actually pretty good. So I could sleep a lot, really a lot. Now I have to problem. Yesterday I asked when do we arrive in Dar es Salaam. I know it now. We arrive in January 1st, so I'm on New Year's Eve or New Year in the train. Shower in my life. As you can see, you get shaken around. It was so hard to shower, but it was really fun. It was a really nice experience. Happy New Year! I go by myself with only memories to hold. After 40 hours of driving with the train, I'm in Dar es Salaam finally, celebrating New Year on the train, meeting all these nice people. It was really nice. I'm glad that I did it. It's crazy. I wish you can smell it. It smells so good. It's crazy.
I feel so close to